Did you know that 60% of new parents face unexpected expenses in their baby's first year, often running into lakhs of rupees? From medical bills to baby essentials, the costs can pile up fast, leaving many families financially stressed. Welcoming a baby is an incredible experience, but it also brings major financial changes. If you're a new parent, getting control of your finances early can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll explore how to manage expenses, avoid financial stress, and set your family up for a stable future. New parents often underestimate the cost of raising a child. Diapers, doctor visits, daycare, it all adds up quickly. On top of that, adjusting to a new lifestyle can make budgeting feel overwhelming. Many parents struggle with increased expenses they didn't plan for, or drop in income due to maternity or paternity leave, the stress of managing money while juggling new responsibilities. So, how can you take charge of your finances? Here are a few practical steps. Create a baby budget, track all essential expenses, and cut unnecessary spending. Prioritize an emergency fund. Having 3, 6 months of savings can be a lifesaver. Look for smart ways to save. Buy second-hand baby gear, use cashback apps, and compare prices before big purchases. Plan for the future. Start thinking about insurance, education funds, and long term investments. The good news, small changes can have a big impact. Take, for example, a couple who was struggling with rising baby costs. They tracked their expenses, cut non essential spending, and set savings goals. Within just a few months, they had financial stability and peace of mind. The key is to start now, not later. Managing money as new parents doesn't have to be stressful. By budgeting wisely, saving early, and planning ahead, you can create a secure future for your growing family. What financial challenges have you faced as a new parent? Drop a comment below. And if you want more smart money tips, check out my next video on budgeting for families. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.